Ever pondered over the vast world of investment funds? How they work, what types they come in, and how to choose the one that suits you best? Well, buckle up because we're about to delve into the heart of it all. Imagine investment funds as a big pot of money, contributed by numerous investors. This pooled capital is then managed by professionals who allocate it into different types of assets. These could range from bonds and stocks to real estate and commodities, depending on the type of fund. Now let's break it down and look at the main types of investment funds. First up, we have fixed income funds. These are the sturdy, reliable ones. They primarily invest in bonds or other types of debt securities. The main goal? Providing investors with a steady flow of income. They're often considered safer than other types of funds, but remember, with lower risk usually comes lower returns. Then you've got stock or equity funds. These are the daredevils of the investment world. They mainly invest in shares of public companies. The aim is capital appreciation. In other words, they're looking for those shares to increase in value over time. These funds can offer higher returns, but they also come with a higher risk. So, if you're someone who's comfortable with a bit of a roller coaster ride, this might be your cup of tea. Finally, there are multi-asset funds. Think of these as the all-rounders. They invest in a mix of asset types: stocks, bonds, cash, and sometimes even commodities or property. The goal here is to balance risk and return. So, if you're someone who likes a bit of everything, a multi-asset fund could be right up your alley. So, we've covered the main types of funds. But how do you choose one? Well, it's not one size fits all. It depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment horizon. If you're looking for regular income and have a low risk tolerance, fixed income funds may be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're aiming for long-term growth and don't mind taking on more risk, stock funds could be the way to go. And if you're somewhere in between, a multi-asset fund might hit the sweet spot. But remember, it's not just about picking a type of fund. It's also about assessing the performance and strategy of the fund manager, the costs and fees associated with the fund, and how it fits into your overall portfolio. So, to wrap it up, investment funds come in different flavors, each with its own risk and return profile. Choosing the right one involves understanding your own financial goals and risk tolerance, as well as doing your homework on the fund itself. It's a journey, but with the right knowledge and guidance, it can be a rewarding one. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to the intriguing world of investment funds. Remember, the world of investment isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Happy investing!